Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today, we will discuss the answers of Block 13, My Country. Be ready with all your essentials. Keep your content book, workbook, and notebook with you and match your answers. Let's match practice questions. State whether true or false. First question is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote our national anthem? No. False. He wrote our national song Vande Mataram, and national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Next is we fly our national flag on Independence Day? True. We hoist our national flag on Independence Day. Next is the peacock is our national animal? No. False. National animal of India is tiger and peacock is national bird. Next is the lotus is our national tree. False. Next is the lion pillar has 2 lions standing back to back. No, it has 4 lions standing back to back. Next is fill in the table. You need to write capital of given state and you need to write state of given capital. So capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur and Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Capital of Manipur is Imphal and Arunachal Pradesh is the Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Next is Gangtok, capital of Sikkim, and Jammu and Kashmir, capital is Srinagar. And Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh and capital of Tripura is Agartala. Next is look at a map of India. Name the states and their capitals which lie in the south and west of India. So, in the south, the states in the south are Andhra Pradesh, capital is Hyderabad. Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Kerala, capital is Thiruvananthapuram. And Karnataka, capital is Bengaluru. And states on the west are Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Gujarat, capital is Gandhinagar. Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur. Next question 4. What is our national anthem? When do we sing it? This is very easy question. If you will read the block properly, you will be able to answer this. So, I am not going to discuss this. I am not going to discuss easy questions. Okay. Next is what is our national animal? What does it stand for? Read the block to know the answer. Next is describe the location of India. Write the names of the neighboring countries of India. So, India is located in Asia, Asian continent. The Arabian Sea lies to the west of India and the Bay of Bengal is to the east. Arabian Sea lies to the west of India and the Bay of Bengal to the east. The Indian Ocean lies in its south and the Himalayan mountain range lies in its north. And the neighboring countries of India are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west and northwest. China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north and northeast. You can check in the map. And Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east and Maldives and Sri Lanka in the south. Next question is describe our national flag and what the colors stand for. The national flag of India has 3 bands of color. That's why it is also called tricolor flag. At the top is orange or saffron color, followed by white and green at the bottom. In the center, there is a dark blue wheel with 24 spokes in it. The saffron color stands for courage, white for peace and green for fertility or success. Green is for fertility and success. Next question is question 8. Which state would you like to live in other than your own? Why? So you need to choose. You can choose from the map, or you can also read physical features, and you can find your favorite state and write the reason why you would like to live in that state. Now let's discuss about worksheets question. So here is the map given. You need to fill this map, and here is the answers. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, West Bengal, and here it is written Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and this is Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island. So these are the answers of map. Fill this properly, and you can color it also if you want. Next is S4, and I'm not going to discuss the answers of S1 and S2 because we have discussed the answers in class activity. Okay, so let's discuss S4. Jan Gan Man is our national. You already know the answer. This is our national anthem, and Vande Mataram is our national song. Fill in the missing words in the table. This is very easy. You can write it by yourself. Lion pillar is national emblem, and you already know mango is national fruit here, and you need to write about animal, flower, tree, bird. Fill this table by yourself. Next, question 3. Draw one of our national symbols in the box and color it. You will choose what you want to draw, and you can draw and color it. And a project work is also given in this block. This is very interesting. You need to draw a symbol for your school. Give a heading to go with the symbol and present it. You can send me the photo in the comment section. Okay, draw a symbol for your school. Give a heading to go with the symbol. You can color it. Send me the pictures. And everyone will do the project work of block 13. Now answers of bonus questions. Question is, in which direction is the Himalayan mountain range located? Answer is north direction. Next is, which one is not a neighboring country of India? Answer is Australia. Next is, which place is both the capital city and union territory? Answer is Chandigarh. Next, where is the national emblem of India used? It is used in passport, coins, and Indian rupee, and government documents, other government documents. So these are the answers of tough questions of block 13. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You need to do the project work of this block too, and you can ask your doubt in the comment section. Complete your work, watch the video carefully, and don't need to copy the answers, only do necessary correction. First, you need to write answers by yourself. Watch the teaching video properly, write answer by yourself, and then match your answers and do necessary corrections. Take care everyone. God bless.